In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get free dice from official social media reward links. To get started, open Google Chrome on your phone or computer. You can use another browser if you prefer, but Chrome is a simple and reliable option for this process. Make sure your internet connection is stable so the reward pages load properly and you do not miss any active links. Once your browser is open, go to the official social media channels for the game, specifically Instagram and Facebook. It is important to use the official pages only because that is where legitimate reward links are usually posted. This helps you avoid fake pages, expired promotions shared by others, or unofficial links that may not work. When you arrive on those social media pages, look through the recent posts and stories. These reward links are often shared for a limited time, so newer posts usually give you the best chance of finding active rewards. On Instagram, check both the regular post and the story section if one is available. On Facebook, review the latest post carefully and look for anything that mentions rewards, bonuses, or free dice. After you find a reward link in a story or post, click on it to claim the free dice. In most cases, the link will open a page that redirects you to the game and automatically applies the reward to your account. If the game is already installed and you are logged in, the process should be quick and straightforward. If a link does not work, it may have expired or already been claimed. In that case, simply return to the official page and check another recent post or story. Since these rewards are often time sensitive, it is a good idea to check back regularly so you can claim them while they are still active. As an extra tip, make sure you are logged into the correct game account before opening any reward links. That can help ensure the dice are credited properly. It is also helpful to follow or bookmark the official Instagram and Facebook pages so you can find new reward posts faster in the future. That's all you need to do. Open Chrome, visit the official social media pages, and click the reward links in stories or posts to receive your free dice. If you stay consistent and check often, you can collect these rewards more easily whenever new links are shared.